Hey there fashionistas, welcome back to Taylor Salee. Today we're taking this stunning wedding dress from meh to wow for our amazing client. First up, we said bye-bye to that boring old zipper, seam ripping it out to make way for something way cooler. And these buttons, yeah, they had to go too. Out with the old, in with the fabulous. Next we added a corset, adjustable, fabulous, and perfect for those pre-wedding dessert binges. Here's the fun part, seam ripping the brown mesh layer from the train. Now, here's where it gets super fun. We're using Langus Goods brand UV-reactive sun color changing paint. Indoors, it's a classy white. Step outside and boom, charcoal gray magic. Watch us transform these appliques. It's like a mood ring for your dress. Our bride is over the moon with her upcycled dress. Adjustable, modern, and uniquely hers. Who knew sustainability could look this good? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all of our social media platforms at Taylor Salee for more upcycling adventures.